Need to update your iPhone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to update the iOS software on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To update iOS, first open your iPhone settings. Select General. Then select Software Update. Your iPhone should then check if there are any updates available, but you can also swipe down from the top of your screen to refresh and double check. If there is an update available, tap Update Now. You may need to enter your device's passcode and agree to terms and conditions from Apple. After that, just wait for the update to download and install. Your device will reboot when the update is finished. That's all it takes to update iOS on your iPhone. Want to set up automatic iOS updates? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.